was what happened to me when love came my way. I was a child boy, driven by the rhythms and the melodies. But love crept slowly like a creeping train towards me. And at the sound of love, my heart left in shame, in doubt that this is true. But in my spirit, as the Father whispered endlessly, in a still voice so amazing, I love you, son, just the way you are. You left the costly raiment for the rock, a royal garment for the ignoble. So have me for yourself. If the new was forsaken for the old, you left the golden vessel for the earth, and you can have me for yourself. Forsaking the fellowship of the heavenly host, leaving your glory in heaven, you took my shame so I could be the one that you should save the poor and least of all. What is this, my Lord? Is this what you mean by the love you have for me? If it's a song and it's so amazing, I cannot comprehend it. It's the exchange of royalty for shame. You left the costly raiment for the rock, a royal garment for the ignoble. So have me for yourself. If the new was forsaken for the old, you left the golden vessel for the earth. Have me for yourself. You left the costly raiment for the rock, a royal garment for the ignoble. So have me for yourself. If the new was forsaken for the old, you left the golden vessel for the earth, and you can have me for yourself. Eky'obwakabaka kwe Yesu nga niweyo kulw'emyoyo egibuze ekyo gyonna. Njagala kubanga gwe Yesu mpiirwa obulamu olokola ensi eno ng'oyitira muze. I wanna be like you, Jesus, giving myself away for the lost and lonely souls. I wanna be like you, Jesus, losing my life to save the world for the kingdom of our God. I wanna be like you, Jesus, giving myself away for the lost and lonely souls. I wanna be like you, for the kingdom of our God. Lord, you left the costly raiment for the rock, a royal garment for the ignoble. So have me for yourself. If the new was forsaken for the old, you left the golden vessel for the earth. So have me for yourself. You left the costly raiment for the rock, a royal garment for the ignoble. So have me for yourself. If the new was forsaken for the old, you left the golden vessel for the earth. You can have me for yourself.